great seeing you here on Jim's Kitchen. I wanted to show you my new wand. Here it is. It's the Redmond Hand Blender. And I'm going to be using it today to make one of my favorite beverages, Butterbeer. Join me now. It's so versatile with so many functions. And I'm going to use it, all the different parts, in my demonstration. Yes! Grab yourself a small cauldron and we're going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Once it's melted, add 2 tablespoons of sugar and stir gently. Always remember to watch your beard during the cooking process. And we're going to add a tablespoon of golden syrup. Some parts of the world don't have golden syrup, so you can use molasses instead. Bring it to a boil. Double toil and trouble. Fire burn and cauldron bubble. I'm gonna let it cool completely. I could use this immersion blender attachment to make some pumpkin soup. Look, it has a turbo speed, button and a dial for infinitely variable speed. This Butterbeer could use some whipped cream. Grab some heavy whipping cream and your whisk attachment, and let's get whipping! If instead of whipped cream you want to have frothy milk on top, use this frothy attachment. I'm going to use this chopper attachment to chop some graham crackers. For the Butterbeer, I need to start with that buttery syrup, followed by some cream soda, followed by some of that whipped cream, and a sprinkling of graham cracker crumbs. We have ourselves a Butterbeer. Simply marvelous. Whoa! It's exquisite! This is all thanks to my new best friend, the Redmond Hand Blender. If this product interests you, check out my description. There's a special discount code for all my viewers. It is so buttery and delicious. Did you know that my dog is also a wizard? He's a labracadabrador. Ha 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 ha!